BigMarker is a powerful landing page software, but before you decide to buy, here are 12 things you need to know. Stick around till the end, because we'll also compare it with other options so you can make an informed choice. First thing to know is that BigMarker specializes in webinars, live streaming, and virtual events. While most landing page builders focus solely on static pages, BigMarker offers an all-in-one solution for hosting live and automated events. If you're running webinars frequently, this feature makes BigMarker stand out. Next thing to consider is its pricing. BigMarker isn't the cheapest option out there. It starts at $79 per month, which is on the higher end compared to competitors like Leadpages or Unbounce. However, you get additional features like built-in webinar support and event marketing tools that might justify the cost for certain businesses. The third thing to note is that BigMarker has a strong integration ecosystem. You can connect it with popular tools like MailChimp, HubSpot, and Salesforce. This is crucial for businesses looking to automate their marketing processes and connect their landing pages to their CRM system, especially when compared to simpler tools like Wix or WordPress. The fourth thing to know is that BigMarker offers excellent customer support. Their support team is known for being responsive, and they offer a variety of resources like guides, tutorials, and live chat. If you need help setting up your landing pages or webinars, BigMarker is a solid option. Another key feature is customization. BigMarker offers extensive customization options for your landing pages, including A/B testing to optimize your designs. While competitors like Instapage provide robust customization, BigMarker shines if you're looking to integrate event registration and marketing seamlessly. Now, let's talk about its user interface. It's fairly user-friendly, but if you're coming from a more intuitive platform like Wix or Squarespace, you might find BigMarker's interface a bit more complex. It has a learning curve, but once you get the hang of it, it can deliver great results. The seventh thing is that BigMarker offers good analytics. You'll have access to detailed reports that show how your landing pages and webinars are performing. This is a must-have feature if you're aiming to track conversions and event participation. The eighth thing is its scalability. If you're planning to grow your business and expand your webinars, BigMarker can scale with you. It offers various plans that cater to different needs, whether you're running small events or large, corporate-level webinars. A downside to BigMarker is its limited design templates. Compared to competitors like Unbounce or Leadpages, BigMarker's template selection isn't as diverse. If you're looking for a wide variety of ready-to-go designs, you may need to spend extra time customizing the available templates to fit your brand. The 10th thing to know is that BigMarker provides automated email campaigns. This is ideal for sending follow-up emails after webinars or for nurturing leads captured through landing pages. Competitors like MailChimp also provide email automation, but BigMarker is more tailored for webinar-based businesses. Next thing, BigMarker supports mobile responsiveness, meaning your landing pages will look great on any device. However, some users report that the mobile view can sometimes look a bit cluttered, especially if you have heavy content on the page. The 12th thing to know is that BigMarker supports various types of media, like videos and interactive features. This makes it a great tool if you're running engaging webinars or live events. But if you're looking for a more basic landing page builder with no need for media-heavy content, simpler tools might be a better fit. BigMarker is definitely a strong choice for those who need an all-in-one webinar and landing page solution. But if you're looking for a more affordable and easier-to-use option, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.